In this video, I will teach you how to start Substack, a beginner's guide. So first thing you need to do is to go to the website substack.com, wherein Substack is a new media app that connects you with the creators, ideas, and communities you care about most. Now, if you don't have an account yet, you just have to click on Start Publishing right here on the upper right corner and sign up using your email. But if you already have an account, you just have to click on Sign In at the top right corner and log in using your credentials. After logging in, Substack will ask you to create your publication. Just enter a title, description, and your preferred URL. This will be your Substack link. You can also upload a logo, but that's optional. And once you're all done, you just have to click on Create. Now, once your publication is set up, Substack will look like this. This is the homepage of Substack. And to see your publication, all you have to do is to go to your dashboard button right here and click on that. And it will automatically redirect you straight to your dashboard publication. Now to create a post, all you have to do is to click in this create new and a pop-up will be seen. So you can choose whether you want to use text post, video post, audio post, new note, new chat thread, anything. And you will just have to click one in order for you to write a new post. You just have to click on this and you can add a title, you can add a content right here, and use formatting tools like bold text, and you can also insert images, links, or even embed videos. You can choose whatever it is that you want to customize it using this customization format buttons. After selecting a title and after writing your content, you just have to click on continue right here on the top right corner. And here you'll decide whether to publish it online, send it to your email subscribers, or both. You just have to click on send to everyone now when you're ready to go live. So after clicking on that, it's already being progressed into publishing. Now to make it easy for others to subscribe, all you have to do is to click on this address bar that you have, Control A that, and copy this specific URL address and share this on social media or with friends to start building your audience. You can also click on share your link right here to copy the link that you have. And that's how to start Substack. From sign up to sending your first post. It's pretty simple and perfect for writers, thinkers, and creators. So that's all there is today and hope we help.